What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It's Talia Simone.
How are you?
I'm back with another video. This is going to be a collective message for January 18th. Right? Today's 18th?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. January 18th, 2022. We're trying a new setup, y'all. I don't know if I like it. It needs some work. Yeah, hell no.
Those messages for the collective for January 18th, 2022.
Oh my god. Yeah, this not gonna work. But yeah. So I'm excited though for those of you that are new to the channel. We got a lot of stuff coming to the channel.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still working on the tarot deck. Yanni's making some meditation music. We got some audiobooks and stuff on the way. And I'm just really excited about all of it. So you can check out our Patreon for any behind the scenes on what's going on. In that regard, yeah, this setup not gonna work. But we tried it, so, you know. There's that. But I feel pretty good about today.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's see what we got. The Six of Wands.
Six of Swords.
Six of Swords. Shit. That was Six of Wands.
The Tower reversed.
You can't see these. The Four of Wands.
The Four of Wands reversed. The Four of Swords reversed.
Four of Cups reversed.
Oh my god.
Four.
The Seven of
Four.
Cups.
Oh my gosh, yeah, I don't like this setup. Okay, the title card. The Prince of Wands reversed.
The Ten of Pentacles.
And the King of Swords reversed. I don't feel like you can see these.
Yeah, everything is not in the camera.
Maybe this way.
Yeah, but for YouTube, it's not gonna work.
Well, I mean, we're gonna have to do something because you can't see all the cards. Hey, Wisteria.
Hey, what's up, Wisteria? Welcome to the live.
We are trying a new camera angle, and it's not working for me right now. It's not working.
It needs to be higher or something.
Man. Morning. Man. Okay, look. We're gonna have to improvise. Okay, it's just not gonna work. Can you see all the cards?
Probably not. It's you can probably see half of these. But, alright, so we have the Six of Swords upright, the Tower reversed, Four of Wands reversed. We have the Four of Swords reversed, the Four of Cups reversed, the Seven of Cups, the Prince of Wands reversed, the Ten of Pentacles, and the King of Swords. I get a lot of releasing and moving away. Yeah, a lot of releasing. We got 3 4s, 4 4 4. A lot of releasing and moving away from things that don't serve you or your purpose or where you're trying to go. And I think that's what brings the Tower, because doing that can really shake your world up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
In your environment. But in doing that, you get to the Ten of Pentacles, and people might look at you like you're destructive. The Prince of Wands in reverse, and the King of Swords in reverse with harsh communication, maybe because you're cutting people off and dropping things. People are probably looking at you like you're these energies, but in reality, you're on some emperor shit. You know what I'm saying? You're getting what's best for you. The Ten of Pentacles. You know what I'm saying? You can't really be mad at that, but you know how people can be mad when you make certain moves.
Yeah.
So
I agree. I feel like you're moving away from a lot of conflicts within a home. With the Four of Wands, the Six of Swords, and the Tower reversed. I feel like you've been meditating, and like Yanni said, you've been manifesting, you've been bringing some things to fruition, you've been thinking about them. And then with 444, I feel like you may be uncertain as to whether or not you're making the best moves for yourself, but I feel like you are. With the 10 of Pentacles and the 7 of Cups, I feel like you're moving towards new options. I feel like you're giving yourself more room to grow. I feel like whatever this situation was with the Tower reverse and the 4 of Wands reverse, I feel like maybe you felt, or you feel like your home situation isn't conducive for you. You might feel like, what's the word? Like you might feel like you can't grow there. Like you might have a lot of hostility within the home, depending on, your situation. Or maybe you just feel like you can't grow there. Like it might not be a space where you can really think, with the 4 of Swords reversed too. Like I feel like, you're coming out of this crying over shit, meditating over shit, and I feel like you're more an action oriented kind of energy. But with the Prince of Wands reverse, I feel like you might be a little hasty with some things. I feel like you might be moving a little bit too fast, or maybe too fast for other people. And I feel like with the 10 of Pentacles, you're moving to something more secure or something more stable from the 4 of Wands. Because the 4 of Wands and the 10 of Pentacles to me are both like home kind of cards. So I feel like you're moving from, I wouldn't even call it a bad home situation, but a home situation where you weren't as happy as you could be, to like your dream home or your dream house situation or your dream, situation surrounding home. I feel like you're not crying over anything anymore. I feel like you're not focused on the negative anymore. I feel like you're more focused on what do I need to do to get there, because you're moving with the 6 of Swords. That's how I feel.
I agree. Well, let's get some advice for the collective for January 18th, 2022.
Yeah, man, haters always gonna hate.
Always.
Fucking haters.
Haters make you greater. You already know.
Hate on me. Hater. The Cat Williams that was like, haters, if you don't have nobody to hate on, feel free to hate on me. You and your loved ones are safe.
New Moon in Cancer. I feel like that definitely ties in with like the home situation, you know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah.
For sure.
I feel like it may be hard for some people to move away from some of these connections. Because what I really like about this card is that these two people are like walking together, but like, separately, obviously. But I feel like you may be walking away from some connections that you didn't necessarily want to walk away from. Or maybe it's not what you thought it was when you first came into it.
Yeah, expect powerful change.
Fuck yeah, with the Tower.
And the 10 of Pentacles in the future, you know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah, I feel like you're upgrading. I feel like you're in the process of an upgrade. And I feel like it's divinely guided with the Tower. I feel like it might not necessarily be what you want. You might not feel like you're ready for it with the 4 of Cups reversed and then the 4 of Swords reversed. But I feel like you're finally at a point where you're kind of accepting that this change is happening. And I feel like in embracing the change, you're now exploring your options. So it's like, let's say if the 4 of Wands was you getting evicted, or the 4 of Wands was somebody putting you out, or you just feel like you gotta move, you know what I'm saying? Like you don't have money, or you don't, like, it's not enough space where you live, and you just feel like you need more space so you can start your business or whatever it is that you want to do. I feel like before you were trying to hold on to it, but now you're moving away from it. And then at first you were crying over it, like, I don't really want to move. Like, you might hate moving. You might not know where to go. You know what I'm saying? It could be any kind of situation. But now I feel like you're exploring your options. You're looking around like, okay, well, if I do have to move, I'm going to make it, I'm going to make my next move my best move. And then it's like you're thinking about it now. And I feel like some people are going to be unhappy about it. Some people are Some people gonna talk they shit with the King of Swords, whether it's you or somebody else. But sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, you know, being a, you know, fellow air sign, sometimes I talk my shit, okay? So you might be talking your shit, other people might be talking their shit, but either way, shit talking is happening, and I feel like it's happening quickly. I feel like it's happening more quickly than you anticipate for it to happen with this expect powerful change, and you and your loved ones are safe. So, yeah.
Mm-hmm. They're both new moons.
So, yeah. I feel like it's some new shit happening.
Yep.
And it's a total upgrade. It's like moving from nowhere to a house, or from a house to a mansion.
Or to our house with the air of hostility and fear, which is not conducive to growth and leveling up, to an environment that is.
Yeah. So, that's what we have for you today, collective. Make sure if you enjoyed this video to like, share, and comment on the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And until next time, later. And you are truly legendary, and we love you. And thank you for joining us, Wisteria.
Shout out, Wisteria.
Oh my gosh, shout out.
Wisteria.